What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be going over the Tezos NFT Marketplace and why I'm shopping on here for NFTs and why you should be considering it as well. This is the Tezos Marketplace, and this is some of the NFTs that I have under my collection, under my portfolio. Believe it or not, the average cost for each of these is probably around 2 Tezos, which is about $11, I think, at the time of making this video. So I have a pretty good collection here. I think I spent in total less than $500. I think $500 maximum was how much I spent on everything that you see here. And I have a lot of really interesting stuff. I have 3D animations, I have GIFs, I have just images, I have a whole bunch of stuff, interactive models. And what I really like about the Tezos Marketplace is, number one, it's super cheap on the fees. So like the network fees are less than 50 cents. Number two is there's a lot of really good art. I think the art on Tezos is actually a lot better than the stuff I've seen on OpenSea or the stuff on Solana, which is just like, just really low effort stuff. It's just a bunch of clones of CryptoPunks or some other, generative art series. The stuff on Tezos is a lot more original, and it seems to be made by like actual artists, not people who just want to suck up your money and make something quick. Lastly, I think the Tezos Marketplace has a huge upside potential. So not a lot of people are looking or shopping on here right now, but there is a wave of people that are going to come in the future. Now, the biggest thing and the biggest reason I say that is because OpenSea and Tezos will be integrating in the future. So as we can see here, this was tweeted February 10th, earlier this year, by OpenSea. And basically the article just states that Tezos and OpenSea are going to be integrating their marketplaces together. So anything that you're buying on the HEN Marketplace, which is the Tezos NFT Marketplace, anything that you're buying on here will be imported and able to be viewed on OpenSea. Now I'm not going to read the full article. You can read it for yourself. But that's something that's going to happen in the near future. And I think that once that does happen, we're going to see a huge rally in the Tezos coin, the Tezos NFT Marketplace. And if you're holding, a good collection of a lot of different artists, you could be holding something that's the next CryptoPunk or something that's super valuable. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up with the marketplace and how to actually start buying on here. So to get started, so the first thing you're going to need, as always, is a wallet. So I like to use the Temple wallet. So this is the templewallet.com. This is the Tezos wallet. So it's the same thing as MetaMask. You just install a extension and it's going to give you a set of private keys as well. And we can create a new wallet, make up a password. And it's going to give us our seed phrase here. So go through that whole setup with the wallet, and the next step is going to be actually loading up your wallet with some funds. So once you've installed the wallet and you've got it set up, you can open up the browser. It's going to look like this. So over here, this is going to be your Tezos address. This is where you send Tezos coin to. If you don't know where to buy Tezos, as always, you can check CoinGecko. So this is Tezos. We scroll down, click see all trading pairs. And over here you can see these are all the supported exchanges. So you can buy it on Binance, on Coinbase, on Kraken, a ton of different exchanges. So make sure that you're sending it to your Tezos wallet because it has to be on the Tezos network. So you cannot use MetaMask. You have to use a Tezos wallet. Okay? So after you've done that, send yourself some Tezos. And it's pretty easy from there. You can just start shopping on the HEN Marketplace. So this is an NFT that I'm looking at here. This is actually an interactive one. So if you move your cursor around, it'll actually affect what the NFT does, which I think is really cool. And this is going for 1 Tezos. So I'm going to hit collect for 1 Tezos, and let's see how much it's going to cost us in total. So it's going to cost us $5.29, which is the price of 1 Tezos, and the gas fee, which is 2 cents, and there's also a storage fee, which is 47 cents. So in total, we're going to get this for about $5.70, I think. Hit confirm, and it'll just take a few moments and then you've purchased the NFT. It's that easy. And a lot of the NFTs on here are super cheap. As I said, they are made by like really talented artists, and it's really affordable, honestly. You can build up a really solid collection for like $500. You can definitely get a lot of different stuff, and I think that, you know, if you're diverse and you're just buying things that you enjoy, you know, if you sit on this collection for a year or so and wait for the market to catch up and get into the Tezos Marketplace for NFTs, you could be sitting on a lot of really valuable stuff. Now, personally, I have not sold any NFTs on Tezos yet, so I don't know that process. But I would imagine that once the OpenSea integration happens later this year, or whenever it does happen, your NFTs are going to be a lot more liquid, and it's going to be a much more higher demand on the secondary market for these. But for now, do not expect to make a quick flip on the Tezos NFTs. I personally do not know how to do that yet. I have not sold any of the NFTs that I own. I'm just buying them up and collecting for now. But yeah, so hopefully this video helped you understand how to buy on the Tezos Marketplace. Again, just to revise everything, number one is you're going to download the Temple Wallet. So again, that's going to be templewallet.com. It's going to be a Google extension, and so make sure you download that. Number two, you want to make sure you're buying Tezos from a exchange. So if you don't know how to do that, check CoinGecko. And number three, make sure that you are sending Tezos to your Tezos wallet. You cannot send Tezos to a MetaMask. You cannot send Tezos to a Ledger, to a Trezor. You have to send it to a proprietary wallet, which is Temple in this case, the one I'm using. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of the Tezos Marketplace. What are some artists that you're looking at, and what do you predict the future of NFTs will look like? So thank you guys for watching. Peace.